Most beginners fail to make their first $1,000 online, and it's not because of AI tools, it's because they never know how money actually enters their system. If you're posting random AI content without a system, you're leaving money on the table. In this video, I'll show you the exact first step to turn AI chaos into a working income system, and you can start today. Here's the problem. Beginners jump from one AI tool to another. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI, they try to learn everything at once. They create content, but it doesn't convert. Views? Maybe. Income? Almost zero. The reason isn't the tools, it's lack of a structured system. You need a framework that tells you what to do first, second, and third, so all your efforts actually generate money. Here's how I solve it for beginners like you. Step 1. Define your money path. Choose your niche and decide how you'll make money first: affiliate, product, or service. Step 2. Build your AI content system. Produce content once and distribute across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Step 3. Monetize correctly. Funnel leads into an email sequence, integrate affiliate tools, and prepare for your first digital product. This is exactly what my free PDF guide, AI Clarity Reset, walks you through. It shows you how to stop spinning your wheels and start building a system that actually makes money. Even if you've never made a single dollar online, this system works. You don't need 10 tools, you don't need fancy tech skills, you just need a step-by-step blueprint. That's why I created AI Clarity Reset, a free guide that organizes everything in the right order for beginners. And the best part? You can start implementing it today without spending a cent. Click the link in the description to grab your free AI Clarity Reset PDF. Follow it step by step, and you'll have your first working system for online income ready in days. Once you implement this, you'll be ready for the next step, building your first digital product or monetizing your content fully. Stop wasting time. Start building your system now. If you want more step-by-step tutorials on building an AI-powered income system, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I break down the exact steps to get your first $1,000 online without wasting time on tools that don't convert.